Welcome to my YouTube channel, Noel David here. So for today's vlog, as you can see, I'm here at the Discovery Primea. Mag-staycation tayo. Let's go! Guillarmy Bake Shop. Okay, I'm here at the Guillarmy Bake Shop. So they have fresh bread here. Ayan, as you can see. So they have, ayan, brownies, adobo. At tapos, at the same time, ito na yung kanilang lounge. Ayan, so hintayin natin yung, ayun, papasok tayo dito. Come here. Let's check their,
Day 2.
Okay. Good morning. Ayan o. Show my face. Buffet na daw. Ayan, may dress code pa siya. Hello. Pasalo. Yes, breakfast buffet. Bacon, hash brown, adobo, sausage, and then another comforter sausage, and then daing bangus, ito yung marbled potatoes, scrambled egg. That's penne alla carbonara, plain rice, and this one is the soup, achapurado. We have a fresh fruits, so dragon fruit, watermelon, and yun na yun. And then they have assorted of mga dessert more. Yes, they have yogurt, salad, different kinds of salad. And then they have a lot of bread, Spanish bread, croissants, mango dailies. This one is very interesting. And then they have the multigrain bread and the chocolate croissant. And this is the banana muffins. Okay, plain bread from here. Plain bread. So, yeah, for display only. So they have the jam, butter, ayan. Wow! They have cheese board. O, diba? O, ayan, o. Manchego, emmental cheese, may mga nuts, may pastrami, prosciutto, wow. Of course, they have juice. And then they have this, what we call
Egg
the
station.
egg station, omelette. Right? And here, we have the salad station. Okay.
Check time, it's 9:23. So, I'm here now at Papi Made Restaurant kung saan nagaganap ang buffet ng Discovery Primea here in Makati. So, awesome naman yung kanilang buffet breakfast. Pang malakasan din. As you can see naman, binidyohan ko, marami siyang full of choices from salad to fresh fruits, pastries, breads, and of course, the breakfast. Ayan. So, I got the adobo, bangus, frankfurter na sausage, at ang bacon na laging out of stock. I mean, ubos lagi siya. So, this time nakachempo tayo. And then I have this salad. Ayan. This is a kani salad. So, I have the fruits, watermelon, dragon fruits, and then this different kind of salad with apple and grapes. Try natin. And of course, I'm so excited. Champurrado. Ayan, nalaman natin masarap siya. Kaka, meron din silang kulang pa na lang red wine. So they have a cheese board. So I got the This pastrami, prosciutto, and then emmental cheese, may mga nuts. Yun lang. So I have orange juice, omelette, ayan. Okay, let's dig in. So I'll start with salad first. Thank you. Fruits and salad. So ayan. Later na natin ito balikan. I want the main course. I ordered a coffee, Americano. Gusto kong matikman ng kanilang adobo. So, masarap ang adobo. Ang lambot. Sarap yung adobo nila. Then let's try the bangus. Hindi na ako kumuha ng suka. Okay na sa akin to. Sarap din. Not salty. Alib ako dito. Gusto ko ng red wine. Sa last night din. Ito yung sausage nila. Wala ko ng konti. Also good. And their bacon. Bacon. Okay, sarap ng bacon. Lahat naman masarap. So, last call is 10 o'clock. Yung in-order ko sa aking omelette, lahat lang ng vegetable. No ham. Sugar. Sige. Try natin ang kanilang champurrado. Champurrado Discovera Primea. Kung ano yung lasa ng champurrado nila. Anong champurrado? Ang sarap ng champurrado. Namiss ko lang siguro, pero masarap siya. Masarap. Okay, nag-take 2 na ako. So this time, kumuha ulit ako ng salad kasi I love this talaga, itong Waldorf salad eh. Itong Waldorf salad talaga, gustong-gusto ko siya. So for the second round, kanina kasi doon sa first round, hindi ako nag-bread. So ito, chocolate croissant. Okay, good chocolate croissant. And then, this is a banana muffin. Pasok siya sa panlasa ko. Masarap, moist. This is a peach Danish. Ayan. May Mahilig din naman ako sa mga Danish eh. Also good. Prosciutto. Yan, prosciutto. Baka naman may pa-wine pa dyan. Kasi breakfast. Pero interesting kasi meron silang charcuterie. Ayan. Sulit Sulit yung kanilang buffet dito talaga. Until 10:30 lang sila. I think this is the emmental cheese. So, ayan. Fruits na tayo. Watermelon. At least matamis. Melon. This one is cantaloupe. Grapefruit. Dragon fruit. This is dragon fruit. One is yogurt. Nasa ilalim yung yogurt niya, yan. Nakikita niyo siya. Ayan na yung yogurt niya, nasa ilalim. So, imimix-mix natin siya. Ay, okay Unique. Thank you. This is good Let's add milk. Okay, dito sa Discovery Primera buffet nila, pwede naman ang walk-in, miski hindi ka naka-check-in. So the amount is 1,500, net na siya. Yun. In-inquire ko lang, na-share ko lang.
A few minutes later.
Yeah, magbabatag tayo. Medyo hot yung tubig. Para makarelax lang. Siyempre. Sige. Out na rin kasi brunch na. So, I have this adobo, beef caldereta, beef steak Tagalog, and Caesar salad. Actually, ito US beef. So, let's try na lang. Pero, masarap naman yung food nila dito sa Discovery Primera. Ayun lang. Share ko lang sa inyo yung take-out ko. Okay, I'm gonna give a review for this hotel, Discovery Primera. First, sa front desk, shout out to Leona. She's very accommodating. So, lahat ng question ko, nasagot niya na maganda, maayos naman. Tapos, service-wise, awesome. Sa buffet nila, awesome na awesome. So, i-rate ko siya ng from 10, 9. Almost perfect naman. Kasi ang number 1 sa akin kasi yung staff mabait, magalang, very accommodating. So, lahat ng question, pwedeng kang sagutin. Ayun. So, happy naman yung stay dito. Yun lang. Thank you, Discovery Primera, for the awesome stay here. That's all. Until next vlog. Ay, dito ba?